Let me just introduce to you, ladies and gentlemen, Molatov. Give it up. You ready to go?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Cool. Nice one. Go ahead.
How you man feeling tonight? Yeah. Oh, we can do better than that. What's going on, man? That's way better, man. I go by the name of Molatov, man. M-O-L-A-T-O-V, because I couldn't use Molatov. It's a Mexican band, man. Nah, fuck that, man. But anyways, man, let's get into it, man. If it even, yeah, this is working. Let's go. Yeah, I had to weigh where the water lives. You make it out or you get paid by the water whips. The block is hot, so you'll be asking where the water is. Diamonds in a 458, yeah, that's the water whip. I put the pussy up on Thames like it's Eden Wells. Roski 7 to the opinions to the clientele. That boy ain't getting saved when I go and buy the bells. My sister good you, me I'm really going hell. But it's calm because the devil wears Prada. Just on a spada, keep it like a spada. Yeah, if I parata, then I mix it with the grabber. They used to call me butthead and now they call me father. Wave dashing like Kazama, cause I'm a real nigga that don't turn into a martyr. I low parry these niggas just like a martyr. Then I go with some hollow points in this. This the electric wind, God flow. Will I win? God knows. I did that boy to show it pronto. When I'm in a dance, we're not doing horizontal. I know it's kicking on pronto. On the road, I'm on zone. I'm well known from Chicago to Toronto. They know yeah, we moving like a Lonzo. So if they press it, I'm a princess like a Mondo. Listen, at 18, I had 18. I was chilling in the back cause I'm like AD. We were stepping with them six inside the Navy. They just stayed me and now they wanna lay me. I'm too wavy, my baby looking gravy. I crave peace, but these niggas want to trade me. It's crazy that these niggas trying to save me. Like Jay-Z, I told that bitch we making babies. This the electric wind, God flows. Will I win? God knows. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. That was electric wind, God flow. Where are my Tekken fans at, man? You know what I'm saying? Electric wind, God fist. Real shit, man. Real niggas know, man. Let's go. Follow me on IG, moving flames. Like moving but without the G. You know what I'm saying? You know my thing. Let's go. Yeah. Yo, this the year of the model. This the year I'm gonna find this mojo. This the year the stats will come find and they just came straight from me, she my dojo. This year gon' cash up in abundance. Big purple stacks that I'm thumbing. And I ran through her like I'm Mondays. Did that trick, just watch how she's coming. Look, yeah, they're feeling bitter. Yeah, man, they're really feeling bitter. Looking to continue or know the jungle, but you won't know that I be that nigga. Wait, I said I sip on liquor. On my split and sip on liquor. Real niggas know I got close for days as you say that I'm trying to hear I know like Richard. In this fuck up done, you know that all clear ain't gold. I'm in this fuck up done, you know that my wardrobe old. Hey, so flows my bed, now they wanna call us goes. I tell my young boy, fuck up, come back when packs get sold. In this fuck up done, you know that all clear ain't gold. I'm in this fuck up done, you know that my wardrobe old. Yo, so flows my bed, now they wanna call us goes. I tell my young boy, fuck up, call out when packs get sold. I give a K for the drama, so I like a hand there, don't stop. 4 man, 2 words for my Parker. No one trying to swing like Parker. Got a big bang road on tussle. Young Molo got a new team from Brussels. And then man, they wanna know my hustle, but I'm too late like hers from Russell. I give a K for the drama, so I like a man there, don't stop. 4 man, 2 words for my Parker. No one trying to swing like Parker. Got a big bang road on tussle. Young Molo got a new team from Brussels. Then man, they wanna know my hustle, but I'm too late like hers from Russell. X-Man try shooting the shot. You put him us 4 days, I got Lalana. Young Mo don't check the receipts, so the boy try there, try paying in Kana. We don't wait for the karma, we watch my man get 10 in his armor. That's a 3.5 for the shirt, so please don't beg or barter. Really, that man can't diss on my kitty. The hand thing to the man trust no Philly. I run up in your house, I got quite busy. Listen, beats talk how I ride my piston. I mix the truth with fiction, cause I entertain my mission. Yeah, and it's fuck up, dude, you know the old Jerry gold. I'm in this fuck up, dude, you know that my wardrobe old. Hey, so I flows my bag, now they wanna call us ghosts. I tell my young boy, fuck up, come back when past get sold. In this fuck up, dude, you know that old Jerry gold. I'm children, you know that my wardrobe old. Yo, soft launch my bed, now they wanna cool us goes. I tell my young boy, fuck up, come out when past get sold. I keep a cave for the drama, so I beg a man there, don't start up. 4 man, 2 watts, my parker. No one tell a man to don't smoke up. Got a big bad roll on tussle, young my logo, a new tick from Brussels. And then man, they wanna knock my hustle, but I'm too lit like hers from Brussels. I keep a cave for the drama, so I beg a man there, don't start up. 4 man, 2 watts, my parker. But I'm trying to swing like Parker. I got a big bad roll on tussle, young my logo, a new tick from Brussels. Then man, they wanna knock my hustle, but I'm too lit like hers from Brussels. Yeah, make some noise, man. You know what I'm saying? We out here, Molatov. Big Molatov in the building, big moving flames in the building, man. You know the vibe. Let's go. Produce this all myself, man. Shout out to all the producers and the MCs in this game. It ain't easy. Let's go. Let's speed it up a bit. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Follow me on Instagram, @Moving Flames. That's like the word moving, but without the G. Moving Flames. Come on. You know my thing, man. Follow me on my other Instagram, Sons of Lunacy, man. That's a label, that's a clique, that's a collective. We going up. Yeah. Yeah, chaos in the life I live. Prices rising, I ain't got time to take that risk. Whole body full of stones and sticks. Yeah, man and a family, the guy trying to tell me that life I should live. If freedom's a yeah, I'm a die for the bitch. If freedom's a yeah, I'm a die for the bitch. They're causing palaver, but these stones don't penetrate armor. Got green like a farmer, animal votes no charger. Tell a bitch don't check my stats, cause I pay in the labor summer. Golden boy, man, I'm moving flames. But my heart's so cold like Palmer. You ain't never crashed out for the wrong bitch. Shit, I guess that my heart went in. You ain't never put your heart on your sleeve, so you can go get dismissed. And you ain't never lost your chain, you ain't never had bitch back to the rain. If you ain't live my life, then you ain't never felt my pain. And I still can't look in the mirror, cause it's kinda don't fry my brain. And I still can't have me a macchiato, cause I feel like I'm going insane. But I still won't stop till the game and swing a young girl setting up days. That man just moved to inner, like my land got love for them. Sticks and stones, sticks and stones. That boy trying to clash with God, and now it's just bits and bones. Sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Hit a thing for that money machine, I know that I never get old. Sticks and stones, 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 sticks and stones. Hit a thing for the money machine, I know that I'll never get old. When you're cutting through them, nigga better pay the toll, pay your mom to the door. Got it honey, not smoke. Molatov president 2028, yo better vote. Jay London with her SOL, now she said that she won't choke. Body till she don't wear lingerie, she wear a bias. Cook a nigga like a rice, I reload the crack and I go find a buyer. See white, daddy die, diamonds die, and I make me look flyer. V12 with a paint job, yeah, I think I might blow out the tires. I got this, wrong plate with the keys like I lost it. My nigga got the alley, she toxic. I can't rats, I ain't ready to gossip. Ha, ha, body on side like a rock star. Hand on, come in the game, take a back by the rats and pop out the whack, cause I'm making a tantrum. Yeah, like a tantrum. I just took a shoot again for my ransom. Scally wet from my hands. Man, I just can't understand it. With your big man. Wait, no, boss, cool. And then I got bricks to build up a whole wall. AR piece to shut your whole crew. AR-50 shut up your whole crew. Yes, I made the beats like a boss blue. Or you make some tunes and talk to. And so well, you shout out the whole crew. Niggas lining up for a whole queue. Look at my account and I stack screws. I'm too good for her, she be mad. Yeah, selling out. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. Big Molatov in the building, man. You know how it is, man. Follow me on Instagram, Sons of Lunacy. That's my clique, that's my collective, my label. Just one word, Sons of Lunacy, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. This next song is called Face Your Front. Of my album, #SOL. Let's go. Real lane switcher, money go getter. Put her in some SOL and now she looking fitter. Real cash grabber, always do a mazza. I was selling white, I'm a trapper town rapper. Real lane switcher, money go getter. Put her in some SOL and now she looking fitter. Real cash grabber, always do a mazza. I was selling white, I'm a trapper town rapper. scrubs like rolling paper, put her in my runs. Yeah, that's shorty and my girlfriend, and she getting done. Ha. And you know the niggas ain't eating front. Yo, and you know the niggas I'm getting done. Who's that shorty over there? Yeah, she keep it tough. Yeah, I light up in my first one, keep her knocking touch. I keep a thing touch. Pull up the best truck, get that boy be playing games. So please don't try your luck. My be a business. You're on my hit list. Got an empty for a bar on my fucking wish list. I keep a thing tough. Pull up in best truck, get that boy be playing games. So please don't try your luck. My be a business. You're on my hit list. Got an empty for a bar on my fucking wish list. Money go get her, but there is a piece and now she looking fitter. Real cash grabber, always do what matter. I was selling white, I'm a trapper turn rapper. Real lane switcher, money go get her, but there is a SOL and now she looking fitter. Real cash grabber, always do what matter. I was selling white, I'm a trapper turn rapper. That's how you got 3 bitches, yeah, and then he got 3 wishes. Wanna smash my Nintendo switches. Make a potion, find out who the next king is. Yeah, I'm filled with riches. Yeah, I get those riches. You got dead flow, big 3 ditches. But you got no money, cash or riches. Making money like the sky's crying. Alarms ringing out here on sirens. More ways than let's go. I got my Iron Man. Fully with a G. But I'm making them. Making people quit. If I am a son. Hey, let's go. Big Molatov in the motherfucking building. You know who it is, man. C2M. That's the frequency, bro. Ain't even gonna talk too tough. Before I get into this one, remember, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Moving Flames, like the word moving but without a G. Moving Flames, man. Let's go, man. Let's get into it. Yeah. Let's go. What? Let's go. Came in abundance. We just whip it and flip it and stack it, my nigga. Cause we're the top of the function. I just whip it and flip it and stack it, my nigga. And I'm the shit in London. When I hop out the car, I didn't play the nigga, I'm not function. Let's go. Came in abundance. We just whip it and flip it and stack it, my nigga. Cause we're the top of the function. I just whip it and flip it and stack it, my nigga. And I'm the shit in London. When I hop out the car, I didn't play the nigga, I'm not function. Let's go. Step with a chop like Tony Montana. I mean, see no Hannah Montana. Bruce Wayne, Bruce Banner. I mean, spin like Spanner. Step with a chop like Tony Montana. I mean, see no Hannah Montana. Bruce Wayne, Bruce Banner. I mean, spin like Spanner. Run rings round the trap, pop up a tongue like it's a relay. No face on the streets, she goes straight down to the subway. Never been a big baller, I hear a switch. What's that ricochet? If I hit that bang, so on that gas, make that getaway. I'm in the G League, and the odds are in my favor. I'm at your house, sucking on dick, now you can't save her. Then they get straight to the fucking point like a fucking razor. My bro be whipping the work, he's right on top of the saber. My brother be whipping the work, he's right on top of the laser. I just gotta jump on the oven and tell the boy, see you later. Yeah, they riding with me. Yeah, I'm riding with fans. Yeah, they riding for me. Yeah, they riding with me. Came in abundance. We just whipping and flipping and stacking, my nigga. Cause we on top of the function. I just whipping and flipping and stacking, my nigga. And I'm on the shit in London. When I'm on the call, I didn't pay me to come malfunction. Let's go. Came in abundance. We just whipping and flipping and stacking, my nigga. Cause we on top of the function. I just whipping and flipping and stacking, my nigga. And I'm on the shit in London. When I hop in the car, I didn't pay me to go malfunction. Let's go. Step with a chop like Tony Montana. I mean, see no Hannah Montana. Bruce Wayne, Bruce Banner. I mean, spin like Spanner. Step with a chop like Tony Montana. I mean, see no Hannah Montana. Bruce Wayne, Bruce Banner. I mean, spin like Spanner. Yeah, let's go. What? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go, man. Big Molatov in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Once in a lifetime type of artist you're looking at right now. You know what I'm saying? Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Follow my clothing brand, Sons of Lunacy. That's all one word. Sons of Lunacy. Let's get into it, man. Let me just skip in this because I like. Yeah. That girl want, I like her arms for the net. You say they record her a shit. Pull up in the milk and the Rolls Royce red to the slide down, low to the rock man's head. Now I'm multi with all tracks to the fence. Yeah, feel like 2 weeks. I ain't seen my bed. I ain't seen my bed. Then when they talk down, that scares on pens. I can't wait too effective. She say we don't chat to the ops to the front to the front to the detectives. We get round to the bus man's top with a mop and a Glock get erected. We got round on the jump and the up in the show, yeah, we don't need perspective. And she said that we don't have a friendships. In the comments, we way too protected. But that boy say shit when I'm pressed him. We rise up, we don't know about fencing. All my niggas will go when offensive. And she say I don't fuck with the friends in. She say I can't buy no pendant. All my clothes, they come very expensive. All my clothes, they come very expensive. Pull it with a cage up, pull it with a gauge up. Really trying to get my razor. I can pull it with a razor, pull it with a razor. I don't charge up, no taser. Too lit like the quasar, scale it come major. We like our major laser. I just slap with the laser. Ain't on the laser, running the house like a Fraser. That girl want I like her off for the net. She say they record her a shit. Pull up in the mouth and the Rolls Royce red. Slap that left to the rock man's head. Now I'm on with no chat to the fence. Feel like 2 weeks, I ain't seen my bed. I ain't seen my bed. Then when they pull down, that scares on players. I can't wait too effective. She said we don't chat to the ops and the force and the cops and the detectives. We get round to the bus man's top with a mop and the Glock get erected. We got round with a jump and a up in the shop, yeah, we don't need perspective. And she say we don't go from red shit. Yeah. Let go that door. Yeah, yeah. Big ass to world shit. Big Molatov in the building. You already know where you at. Yeah, yeah. You rocking with this? What are we saying, man? Yeah, yeah. Let go. Yeah, man, big Molatov in the building. Make some motherfucking noise. You know what I'm saying? You know where you at, man. Again, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Moving Flames, moving, but without the G. You know, you might are getting bored of that. But let's get to this next one. It's a bit dancey. It's a bit, you know what I'm saying? It's called No Free Meals. Because there are no free meals in this life. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey, I told him no free meals. Hit the plug for the work and I told him what's the deal. That's a lot of free bills. My bros get made out of the hood and now we chillin' in the hills. In the hills. Bad berry on the coast and it's totally on my hills. Hey, on my hills. Bad berry on the coast and it's telling my mills. If it's up, then it's stuck. Got the Averett sign that they tell a nigga yuck. And I don't smoke runs, got the Cali, not the beef. You can't buy it with your funds. I'm a bitch, says you can't never find a way. See, I think it's on a run. And we're twinning, that's a well, what we're twos in the blend with the fucking match time. Yo, I don't like a shirt, and I know she get my necklace. Still the flies on the block like Tetris. Count 100, and I did that shit for breakfast. Broke niggas in the cut, they can never get this. Yeah, they can never relate. I'm running to the cream like Parisian parfait. Yo, and yeah, I get no delay. Running to the money like Parisian parfaits. Hollywood actress. When she on a mattress. Take a main fan, she a bad bitch. I don't shit a whole lot of bitch. One for music, one for new hoes. The check came in and I had to reload. You see I double cash flow like yeah, she a pleaser. Girl, when I need her, show me what you're dealing with. Yeah, she so seen her. She can talk just like people. Hey, I told him no free meals. For the walk, and I told him what's the deal. That's a lot of free bills. My bros get made out of the hood and I be chillin' in the hills. In the hills. Bad berry on the coat. That's how I 40 on my hills. Hey, yo. Bad berry on the coat and it's time I my mills. Yeah, yeah. Let go. That was called No Free Meals. That one's an unreleased, man. You know how to treat you, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know when that one's coming out. I'm gonna be honest. Gotta clear that with my boy. You know what I'm saying? This next one is called Escape from Jamaica. It's a song that's close to me because it's about like You know when you're trapped in like a job or something and you don't really want to be there, man. You don't give a fuck about none of them. You just want to do your thing creatively. But yeah, it's called Escape from Jamaica. Yeah. And if you didn't know, I am of Jamaican heritage, so that's a bit of a double entendre there. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Pull up in a blacked out phantoms. You niggas like wax on shots, but in the flesh time phantom. And them man wanna ride the wave just like a Ross Clark tandem. I got the game in my hand, true say I never need no ransom. Got my bread and my cake up, stay on job like a Ross Clark baker. And my team just cake up, so I give thanks to a Ross Clark baker. I know you can't take her, up there and start like a Ross Clark stapler. Man, I feel like Kathleen, I'm trying to get out Jamaica. Cause life is more than mellow, wake up just to sell dope. Give a fuck about go and go with a pink or white just like Christopher Bro. Fuck a tie, fuck a suit with a chain, the hands really low. Please don't play with your boy, cause I'm bad man staying on go. Cause I'm bad man staying on go. Get money when I take my flow. And if you don't know, then you know. Cause I'm trying to put my wrist on snow. That man don't want no beef. That man just talk to police. That man wanna talk on the ground. Cause that man don't know about hustling weeds. Yeah. Mom told me I don't speak like that, so I'ma just speak right back. I can never speak like a colonizer. Get to the bread like a 49er. Mom told me it don't be like that, so I'ma just be right back. Please tell me what's your color fighter. Wax this charge, fuck a money liner. Yeah. Pull up in a blacked out phantoms. You niggas like wax on shots, but in the flesh time phantom. And them man wanna ride the wave just like a Ross Clark tandem. I got a game in my hand, you say I never need no ransom. Got my bread and my cake up, stay on job like a Ross Clark baker. And everything just cake up, so you don't thanks to the Ross Clark baker. I know you can't take her, up there and start like a Ross Clark stapler. Man, I feel like Kathleen, I'm trying to get out Jamaica.
Had to leave this city, I seen
my peeps in danger. I know that was a yardie, escape from Jamaica.
You said you were tough, my peeps in danger.
That was a yardie, escape from the.
I arrived in the day down
Off of the rain now, everything around me comfy.
Escape from the city,
Escape from the country, I ain't even ask you to trust me.
Just reassure me when
times get tough
and this world gets dusty. Nobody loves you, but I can't trust me.
Let's go, let's go.
That was a yardie, still brought peace. I still know guys that
We're going team.
He just taught me that lesson.
I learned that lesson.
But Donnies will try, but they
not like me.
Donnies will try,
but they not like me.
Donnies will try,
but they can't find.
Had to leave this city, I seen my
peeps in danger. That was a yardie, escape from Jamaica.
You said
You were tough, that boy don't play hard. That was a yardie, escape from Jamaica. You know what I'm saying? Make some noise. What do you man think of that? No. That's like one of my top tunes on Spotify. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? @MovingFlames. You know what I'm saying? More music on the way. I just dropped a new single today. That's not the next song I'm doing, but we'll get to that one. You know what I'm saying? But we always dropping music, man. We're out here. This next song is called Pistachio Ice Cream Cake. Shout out to all my people with a sweet tooth out there. By the way, this song isn't about desserts. Yeah. Let's go. I'm driving slow and thinking about the way this life goes. I was in the east, I know my phone was hella low. My mama told me, please don't make a housewife from a hoe. But your mom didn't listen, now he got his heart broke. Where she coming from, I know she thinking that she bad. So she took my chain and told me I won't get it back. So I keep it cool. And then I log into my bank. And then I bought another one and told her that was that. She's my, yeah, pistachio ice cream cake. If I go, then I might be fake. Oh, nigga wanna fight me. Wait, you see it? Yeah. And then I'm just smoking on Dutch. With my homie and she wearing on Dutch. Them niggas wanna hate on us. I have hoes by the load, and I'm thinking that I go. And now I'm walking no one, I was sticking to the code. Had a baddie out of Dulwich, another one for Stone. Always keep another one in case they're just pigtails. You wanna party, baby, hit me for the info. I'm driving slow and thinking about the way this life goes. I was in the east, I know my mom was hanging low. My mama told me, please don't make a housewife from a hoe.
When your mo didn't listen,
And then he got his heart broke.
where she coming from?
I know she thinking that she bad.
So she told my chain and
Told me I won't get it back.
so I keep it cool.
And then I look into my bank.
And I bought another one.
I told her that was that.
She lied.
Yeah. So she want ice cream cake. So she want ice cream cake. What? Yeah. I hope you enjoyed my song about ice cream. That wasn't about ice cream. If you catch my drift. You know what I'm saying? Again, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna check my phone after this set. I wanna see all of you man following me, yeah? At Moving Flames. That's the wave. Next song is called Why Bother? Cause why bother? Yeah. Had to get a little bit groovy here. What?
Come on, let's go.
Yo, wait. Does she love me or does she love me not? Do I chase her or do I get that book? I can really use me, I'm friend right now to the whole family, they don't turn to the hogs. Better be my shoes, don't get blocked. I said if I try loose, I'll get dropped. I said if I try loose, I'll get dropped. But I really doubt it, cause that man so I'm not counting pennies, the flow like scared, but if I buy any I'm the number one, not just any. But if I say come, I need an Emmy. Ask on my text, she said she like me, but her replies are dead. The lines are dead, this girl is my girl, really fuck with my hair. This girl when I fuck with my head, I won't let her cut in all ties and tethers. Like I stop on my stick to the left, I go out and find someone better. Really invested in my craft, then they done gave me leisure. Got control of my gas, I'm trying to get this girl wet. One day I really said why bother. Holes on my line and the music's for the man and I go, it's all on my collar. All black designer guns, I want rubber. So I'm not waiting around. Up in the streets, yeah man, it be wild. And I'm not waiting for no one's shout. I wait for no one to knock his shout.
Does she love me or
Does she love me not? Do I chase her or do I get that what? I can really use me, I'm friend right down to the whole family, they don't turn to the hoes. Man, if they man choose, don't get blocked. I said if I try to lose, I'll get blocked. I said if I try to lose, I'll get dropped. But I really die because that man soft. That's my new single. It's called Why Bother on Spotify. Just type in Why Bother. You know what I'm saying? That's a hit, man. I can tell that's a hit. You know what I'm saying?
Like, what was the story I was even trying to tell, man? I didn't even remember, you know.
Yeah.
Nah, man, that was so peak, man. My fucking heart was, man.
The last song, man. So we're gonna make that a deep one. Deep cut.
Let me
This
say
is about running into someone who I really didn't want to run into, and it was very traumatizing.
Okay.
But yeah, yo, I'm with Broski and I'm baking off. I just pulled up to the venue, I ain't taking off. After like all the knowledge that he's burning off. After the farm in the cold or with a rusty cough. When the sun hits my gaze like a septum. Feeling like something could've came up by my rectum. I'm shaking in the worst way. It must have been my fucking birthday. Yo, hey, like what the fuck am I seeing? They really fucks with my beating. She should be taking a bar or 7 ounces of peanuts. I'm taking shots near South Bank. This ain't no motherfucking South Bank. I feel like Spectre in season 2 with the way I'm hating. Glancing over my shoulder cause I ain't into gazing. I'm just running into her cause I ain't into pacing. Cause I ain't into caving. Yeah, let's go. Yo, green and yellow, white and red. I had to burn that bitch when I got out of bed. Black and orange, not just in my head. Almost fell to my knees with what I saw from them. Green and yellow, white and red. Had to burn that bridge when I got out of bed. Black and orange, not just in my head. Almost fell to my knees with what I saw from them. Hey, let me give you guys some context. And 021 was pedal back and like it's a damn contest. All making content, uni was a content. With all the assignments I was putting out. The word of mouth is Molatov, he's never in the town. He's up and down like the funds in his bank account. He's got a double like trap boys with weight, no muscle. And he's slipping from the grind, he don't know no hustle. Still, she don't appreciate the madness. She wanna jump on his phone and talk badness. He's hurting in the worst. Yeah, let's go. It must have been his fucking birthday. Yo, hey, man's calm cause now he's rolling with a Swiss watch. TikTok, this ain't something that the kids watch. This a big boy rolling, that's how they get caught. How he changed his life when all that love stops. Yo, green and yellow, white and red. Had to burn that bridge when I got out of bed. Black and orange, not just in my head. Almost fell to my knees with what I white and red. Had to burn that bridge when I got out of bed. Black and orange, not just in my head. I almost fell to my knees with what I saw from them. Green and yellow, white and red. Had to burn that bridge when I got out of bed. Black and orange, not just in my head. I almost fell to my knees with what I saw from them. Let's go. This song's called RGB, man. Make some noise. Let me know if you find fuck with this, man. You know what I'm saying? It's my motherfucking last song. Got the little breakdown. Shout out Alicia Aqua. Let's go. I can't sing, but you know what I'm saying.
Baby, I can't do this no more. I'm hurting so much.
She's gonna like do her thing.
My heart keeps saying I have to let you go 'cause
Yeah. Let's go.
I can feel it in my heart. I feel it in my veins. You see it is in my eyes. The end of this pain. My heart keeps saying I have to let you go.
Yeah.
It no more.
You know what I'm saying? Mr. Moving Flames. IG. You should know the IG by when you're cutting through the Lucy's Encore. Sorry. You know what I'm saying? You man should know the Instagram by now. At Moving Flames. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for having me, man. Appreciate it.
Give it out one more time for Molatov, ladies and gentlemen. Woo-hoo. I know he's probably had enough talking, but like, before you go, wait. Almost run off. So the people know where they can find you now. I believe you have a single out quite recently. Yeah. Is there anything else attached to it, or is there anything else in the future?
Album on the way. It's called C2M. It's short for Care Too Much. I think I care too much. I think a lot of people care too much. So it's just about like turning up and just, you know what I'm saying, being a bit emotional, a bit corny. That's my vibe, man. Yeah. Nice. You know what I'm saying?
Nice one. Thank you so much. Cool. Give it out one more time for Molatov, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.